In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps involved with fixation and permeabilization evaluation for the In-Cell Western. So up here at the top, we're going to click on Create Template. And then give it whatever kind of description that you would like. And for this determination, or for this template, we do need to choose In-Cell Western. And then we're going to choose the 96 well plate format and fixation and permeabilization evaluation. Now I'm going to be setting this up just like the preset template, and in this instance we have 3 different fixation or permeabilization methods that have been used, and so we'll be setting up just like that. So first off, we need to select the background wells, and we're going to choose these right here, here, and here, and then click Set as Background. And if need be, you can give it a description at this point if you want to. And background wells are wells that have cells in them, but have not been treated with any kind of cell stain, but have had secondary antibody applied. So then we're going to set up our positive controls. Click Set as Positive, and give it a name and a value if needed, and also a description. And then we're going to set up our negative controls. And again, add the name, value, and description if you need to, also at this point. And then if you have other samples in here that you want to evaluate, you can set those. We're going to skip that for now. And then we get into groups. So for the one set of evaluations, we select those wells, and then you can enter in information about that, what you have done to those cells right there. And again, select, and then enter in the name, any information that's relevant for you. Then here at the end, we have the review, where you can look at making sure that all of the positive, negative controls, backgrounds, and groups match up to your experimental conditions. Just click Done, and that's it. Thank you.